Let's get it. We are live. We are live, baby. Welcome to another Rap and Dose session. It's your man Don Bucks in the building. And what the charts say, that's what we're talking about today. I like to run these a Sunday, but being that the market was closed today, I'm running it today because I didn't run it yesterday. You dig? So make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell for when I do something on this joint. Because if y'all don't know, I also got another series called Chief and Chart. I'm on here every day talking about my plays, what I see in the chart, of course, because we gotta get a handle of these charts. And the more we look at them, the more we start seeing the same things over and over again. What is going on here? What is this? See what I'm saying? It's always something's trying to hate, right? So I hope y'all can see my screen. But yeah, so I go over my plays every day, but not at the same time. So that's why I say the notification bell so you can be notified. Another thing, I like to give y'all a little few updates and all that. We just closed out the first week of Options Made Easy Boot Camp. With me and Charles Oglesby, aka Todd Billy, are co-hosting live options training for 4 weeks. So it's 4.5-hour sessions every Sunday. So we just wrapped up the first week. We're probably going to run it back, but just stay tuned for the next, I guess, update on where the next one will be. So this is where everybody was screaming. They wanted the live training. So, and this is kind of live training. You know, if you tapped in, taking notes, right? So this is the SPY. Oh, and another thing too, y'all. I don't know if y'all heard of the spot called Crumble. It's cookie spot, y'all. Scrolling through the internet, see somebody talking about it. This ain't even a shout out to them, but I just left there. Like the cookies like $5 a piece. You feel me? They on some gourmet type time. And I got 6 and it came about $30. I got 2 French toast. Yeah, French toast cookies. Of course, you got to get the chocolate chip. You got to see how somebody coming on a chocolate chip tip, right? So I got 2 of those. I got 2 Fruity Pebble Johns. Oh, man. I barely ate one. I had to try the French toast one first. That's one of my favorite breakfasts. So I had to try that first. And it ain't even shaped like a cookie. It's shaped like a little piece of French toast. That shit crazy. Fire though. But it's like, yo, if you working out and you want a cheat day, yeah, because that's like a cheat week. You need one of them cookies. Like I gotta get the rest of them away. I probably save one. But yo, too much. Cookies heavy. Good. Good shit. But might fuck up my 6-pack and all that, you heard? But anyway, back to this SPY. We gotta look at the SPY, the overall market. And it faked us out, man. The downtrend is still in effect. And as y'all can see, I got that downtrend line right there. We got to draw our levels. You have to draw your levels. But now we see what's going on here. Actually, let's go out to weekly. Let's go out to the weekly, see what we got. Yeah. Still on a downtrend. See that? So, yeah. We're still on the downtrend, y'all. And when in a downtrend, what do? We look for rallies so we can we look for rallies like retracements on the downtrend to position for puts because we want to go with the trend, right? There's opportunities to make calls when it's trading in a range, but for the most part, you want to go with the trend. So we see this big red bearish candle and we got downward momentum. I will be looking for a rally for puts. So let me see. We got to go down into a trading time frame to get surgical with it. You got to get surgical with it. You can't see what's going on in a daily bar. Exactly. You can't exactly see what's going on. So here we have, now we can see what's going on in the daily bar because there's approximately 6 hours in the trading day, 9:30 to 4. So if we break the daily time frame bar down, because each bar represented a day. So we break that down. That means at least on the 2-hour time frame, that means at least 3 of these represents the day. Right? So here I see that it looks like it wants to bounce. Possibly. Pin bar at a support level. It sold down into it and it came back up. So sellers were in control and then buyers came back into control and brought the level back up. That's what forms the pin at the bottom. I look down here, I see momentum. It's not a new high in the momentum. So I would wait and see what happens with this. But high probability that it's going to bounce off of this level. So you can possibly take this bounce if you was playing the SPY, possibly take this bounce up to this level, or no, up to this level, to 396. This is the level here. Yeah. So I would potentially, if I was playing the SPY, or you can take the measured move objective. Now, I think I went over this in prior videos, but the measured move objective is when you take the previous high, the most previous high, and subtract the most recent low from it. So if your theory is it's going to bounce because all of your parameters is screaming bounce, you would take the measured move objective. So that would be 401, right? $401.31 minus, what's the recent low? 390 minus 390, 45 gives us $10.86. You add that to the high, which was 401. $401.55 minus 390. So plus, we're gonna get it, baby. We're gonna get it. No rush, no rush. Gotta have patience. So the next rally is going to terminate at approximately 412. Look at that. And it's a level. Ain't that something? So the next rally, if it's going to bounce, should terminate at approximately this area. But we're not waiting for this area. We're going to take profit before that, right? Because we know about the volatility at levels, right? Right. So I will put time on my contract if we're swinging for 412, because that's the measured move objective area. I would probably get a strike price that's probably like 405. Looks like a level here. But that's the measured move objective. That's how you can figure out where the next rally will terminate at. The area, not the exact number. And that's the level of predictability that the market has, that it does these things where people can come up with these calculations and it tends to happen. Like I just did the measured move objective and it ended at a level that I already had drawn. This ain't rehearsed. Like this is live. So that goes to show you right there. So you don't want to wait until it gets to a level and be greedy. You will, when it starts going in your direction, take profit and then reposition because it's going to retrace and it might give you another opportunity to enter again and ride it. Ride it again. Plenty of times I done did that. Like, why get greedy and try to get it all in one shot? Right? Take some profit, let it pull back. You know what I'm saying? And then you look at everything, all the parameters, they still in place. When it pulls back, boom, hop in again and ride it again. Take profit before the level. But this is what we got going on the SPY. So it looks like we're going to have a bounce tomorrow, possibly. Possibly a bounce. Look at the 4 hour. So on the 2 hour trading time frame, we got a bounce. So if you trade the 2 hour time frame, it looks like a bounce, possible bounce. Because what we look for is a new high in the MACD with weakness. The blue line creating a new high. So it's not creating a new high. It's not creating a new low either. It's kind of staying the same here. So I would take it. But the thing is, we're not over leveraging either, remember? We're only putting on the table what we're willing to risk. And we know that before we even enter the trade, right? Right. And we know where we're getting out before we get in, right? Right. So we look for a new high in the MACD when we see weakness, a corresponding weakness. So this is not showing a new high. It's dancing. You know what I mean? So I see bounce though. I see bounce, but this is not financial advice. You know what I'm saying? This is for educational purposes only. But yeah, so I want y'all to stay tuned for the next challenge, man. Y'all want to learn how to do this properly. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for the next challenge. But in the meantime, in between time, feel free to grab the intro to swing trading course where I go over these exact steps, what I look for, how I do it, different nuances and stuff. So definitely take a look at that. I got some homework to do too. Let me see. This is where I'm in. This is what I'm in. Y'all been following me on Chief and Chart, SPXS. This is what I've been trading, and I say trade one stock. I say trade one stock because there's enough to learn in one stock. It's plenty. So I'm in this trade right now on the daily. Let's start a daily. We got a new high in the MACD and we had weakness. So we still got momentum to the upside. I'm going for, let me see, what's my strike price? I think my strike price is 23.50. So I know the next level is at 24. So I'm going to be taking profit probably first thing tomorrow. Not first thing, but I'm going to let it run a little bit And my first sign of pullback, shit, the first sign of pullback, like right here. Let me go down to my relatable, because you got your trading time frame, but then to see what's going on inside your trading time frame, you go into your relatable. So then your relatable has another set of levels, right? This is the half an hour, and it's bouncing off a half an hour level. Look at that. And look what we got down here. New high in the MACD, the blue line, new high, weakness. Look what happened after it. So what I'm looking for tomorrow is for this thing to go back above here, bounce, and go continue up to 24 where it wants to go. This next level up here. But I'm going to take profit once it busts through there completely. Because right now I'm only up. Let me see what I'm up. I'm only up 6%. Up is up, but I'm up 6%. So it's probably going to be way more tomorrow, probably like 30 or 40%, hopefully. So I'm probably take profit before the level around here and wait for the pullback and position again. This is how you wait for the positioning, though. You wait for it to set up how you want it to set up. And if you took my course, you know what I like. You know what I like. Yeah, I know I like these pin bars as support. Look at that. Pure. Y'all know I like the pin bars. Especially, I mean, yeah. Y'all know what I like. But if y'all want to know how to do this, feel free to hit the description. Check out the intro to swing trading course. The replays for the boot camp should be, we're going to probably make those available after the fact, but that's in another month or so. But meantime, between time, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. That's when your boy go live. With that being said, I hope you're seeing what the charts say for tomorrow. SPY looks like it's positioned for a bounce. We shall see. Till tomorrow, see y'all cheap and chart. Remember, ain't no competition. You versus you. Peace.